Tired of wasting time searching for how to add users to public groups in Salesforce? Learn the quickest method in under 2 minutes. First, we'll locate the public group, then add members in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Start by typing Public Groups into the Quick Find box in Setup. Then, select the Public Groups item from the results. Now, click the name of the public group you want to update. Click the Edit button to open the group settings. From the Search dropdown, choose the type of member you want to add, like users or roles. Then, select the members from the available list and click the right arrow to add them. If you need to remove a member, select them from the selected list and click the left arrow. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.